Example 2 is again using the rule of exponents. Let's do this the easy way. Simplify 14a to the 5th b cubed divided by 7a squared b squared. Well, that's going to equal, whoops, it went out of focus here. That's going to equal 14 divided by 7 times a to the 5 minus 2, because we're dividing exponents, we subtract the bottom from the top, times b to the 3 minus 2. We're dividing these exponents, so we subtract the second from the top, the bottom from the top. Well, what's 14 divided by 7? 2. A to the 5 minus 2 is a to the 3rd. And b to the 3 minus 2 is just b to the 1. And we don't write the 1, we just know it's there. So that's just 2a cubed b. Now let's do number b there. X squared divided by 2y, and we're going to take this whole quantity and raise it to the 3rd power. Well, we can rewrite this as x squared raised to the 3rd power over 2y raised to the 3rd power. So when we do that, now we're taking a power to a power, so we multiply the exponents. This is x to the 2 times 3, and this is 2 to the 3rd times y to the 3rd. So that equals x, 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, 2 cubed is 8, y to the 3rd. And that should be the answer. And number C is x to the n, y to the 3n, and x squared over x squared y to the 4th. Now we're dividing, so we're going to subtract the exponents. Here we have a common base, so we use the common base x. We take the top one, the exponent on the top is n minus 2. And this is going to be multiplied by y times 3n on the top minus 4 on the bottom. And that's the answer. And finally, number D here is 2a squared b cubed all squared over a cubed b squared. Well, let's work on the top first. We're going to square everything in the parentheses. So we're going to square 2. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then we're going to have a to the 2nd raised to the 2nd power, so we're going to multiply it because we're raising a power to a power. And b to the 3rd raised to the 2nd power, we're going to multiply that because it's being raised to a power, all over a cubed b squared. So when we multiply these, we get 4 a to the 4th b to the 6th divided by a cubed b squared. Now we're dividing. So the next step is to subtract exponents of the common base. So this is going to be 4 to the a to the 4 minus 3 times b to the 6 minus 2. That's 4a, because 4 minus 3 is just 1. And b to the 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 4ab to the 4th power. That's the end of example 2.